Hey, Saht from Awesome Kung Fu Academy here, and welcome to the AKFA Forms Training Vlog. I'm here with Ariel.
Howdy.
We're both instructors here, and today we're going to do a short snippet of the Plum Blossom double-ended staff form. It's called a core form. It's just a small little snippet of it. We're going to start with the first move, which is called Hong. It's a block. You see how Ariel's got a good front stance as a block? The staff hit or sword hit, what have you. Then he's going to step back and he's going to do La. You know, it's a low hit like so. And then he's going to cross step back with Pa. And then he steps back one more time and Saht. That's a strong hit down. Now the next move he's going to do is Chang, which is a spearing, a thrust motion. Now this next part is probably the hardest part. So what he's going to do is he's going to twist stance and low block. He's going to bring it over his head, unicorn crossover, and he's going to step out and do Dana, the knife hand strike with a staff. Now he's going to jump, turn around, roll it over his head, step back with his right, and block upward. Oh, this is a very powerful, strong block up here. Put all your energy in that. Then he's going to cross step behind and do Hong on this side, another blocking. You know, we want to be defensive with this. And then he steps back and does La, low hit, leg hit, and then he steps back, Pa, kind of sweep motion, and then he steps back one more time with Saht. And then he just turns around and faces up. And that is the Plum Blossom double-ended staff core form. Put it all together. That's it. Do it.